In a move that reverberates across the Indo-Pacific, a region increasingly defined by shifting alliances and rising maritime tensions, a new chapter in security cooperation is being written. The U.S. Congress has officially approved a historic warship agreement with the Philippines, a decision that underscores the growing importance of the archipelago in America's broader strategic vision for the region. This deal represents the largest defense modernization package in the history of the Philippine Navy, a clear and unmistakable signal of a deepening alliance between the two nations and a commitment to shared security goals. Years of intense negotiation, careful diplomacy, and strategic planning have led to this pivotal moment. Both sides have recognized the urgent need to adapt to evolving regional challenges, from territorial disputes to the growing presence of rival powers. For the United States, this agreement is a cornerstone of its Indo-Pacific strategy. It's about investing in a more resilient, interconnected security network that can respond to threats and maintain peace in a vital part of the world. For the Philippines, it marks a decisive shift, from a traditionally reactive defense posture to a proactive, credible force capable of protecting its sovereignty and contributing to regional stability. The deal goes far beyond the transfer of advanced warships. It includes comprehensive training programs, logistical support, and robust technology sharing. This ensures that the Philippine Navy will not only receive new vessels, but also the skills and infrastructure needed to operate and maintain them for years to come. These new ships will be seamlessly integrated into a shared defense ecosystem, transforming the relationship from a traditional patron-client model to a true partnership based on mutual respect and shared interests. Both nations are making significant investments in each other's security, recognizing that the stability of the South China Sea and the broader Indo-Pacific is a collective responsibility that requires cooperation and trust. Congressional approval is just the beginning. The real work of modernization, integration, and operationalization starts now, as crews are trained, ships are upgraded, and new doctrines are written to meet the demands of a changing world. The implications of this deal are vast, extending from enhanced maritime law enforcement and disaster response to a stronger voice for both nations in regional diplomacy and international forums. The world is watching closely as the United States and the Philippines embark on this new era of alliance and shared security, one that promises to shape the future of the Indo-Pacific for generations to come. To truly grasp the significance of this historic deal, we must look back at the Philippine Navy's remarkable journey, a story that stretches from the days of aging World War II-era ships to the dawn of a modern, formidable fleet. The contrast between the past and present is striking, and it highlights just how far the Navy has come. For decades, Filipino sailors displayed unwavering dedication, keeping outdated and often unreliable vessels afloat. Their resilience was admirable, but the Navy lacked the credible deterrence needed to protect the nation's vast maritime interests. These sailors worked tirelessly, often with limited resources, to maintain a presence at sea, even as their ships struggled to keep pace with regional threats. The arrival of new warships marks a fundamental transformation for the Navy. This is not just a simple upgrade or a replacement of old hardware, it is a leap into a new era of naval capability and strategic relevance. Outfitted with state-of-the-art combat systems, advanced radar, and modern missile capabilities, these ships are designed for multi-mission power. They can conduct anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine operations, giving the Navy the flexibility and strength to respond to a wide range of security challenges. But this leap forward is about more than just acquiring new hardware. It's about empowering the Philippines to enforce international law, defend its maritime rights, and protect its exclusive economic zone with real, tangible capability. The Navy can now project power and presence where it matters most. The transition from obsolete ships to modern warships closes a frustrating chapter of limitations and opens a new era filled with promise, strategic necessity, and renewed confidence. With enhanced maritime awareness, longer patrol endurance, and improved surveillance, the Navy is now better equipped to safeguard the nation's waters and respond swiftly to emerging threats. Symbolically, these new ships are a powerful statement of the Philippines' unwavering commitment to sovereignty, national dignity, and regional security. They inspire confidence both at home and among allies. The Navy's modernization is not just a technical achievement, it is a profound source of national pride and a defining turning point for the entire armed forces of the Philippines. With these advancements, the Philippines is now ready to play a greater, more active role as a security provider in Southeast Asia, working alongside regional partners to ensure peace and stability. This is truly a pivotal moment in the nation's maritime history, a leap forward that will shape the future of the Philippine Navy for generations to come. The U.S. Philippines alliance, rooted in the 1951 Mutual Defense Treaty, has long been a cornerstone of regional security. Over time, the partnership has evolved from U.S.-led defense to enabling the Philippines' self-reliance. The new Warship deal embodies this shift, updating the alliance for modern challenges. With advanced ships and training, the Philippines becomes a true partner, not just a beneficiary. Joint patrols and shared technologies will deepen trust and operational integration. This revitalizes the treaty, proving America's commitment is ironclad. The alliance now stands on shared capacity, not nostalgia. The real story is a balanced, future-ready partnership. These new warships are not just vessels, they are floating hubs of cutting-edge technology centered around a highly sophisticated combat management system. This system acts as the brain of the ship, coordinating all operations seamlessly. By integrating radar, sonar, and electronic surveillance, these ships offer a real-time, comprehensive battlespace picture. This integration allows for quicker decision-making and more effective responses to threats. Advanced 3D radars and sonar systems provide credible anti-air and anti-submarine capabilities, closing critical gaps for the Philippines. These systems ensure that the fleet can detect and neutralize threats from both the air and beneath the waves. Vertical launching systems enable over-the-horizon missile strikes, fundamentally changing the strategic calculus. This capability allows the fleet to engage targets at great distances, enhancing its offensive reach. Modern naval guns and close-in weapon systems add layered defense, ensuring that the fleet is protected from a variety of threats. These systems work together to create a formidable shield against incoming attacks. Network-centric warfare becomes possible with secure data links connecting ships, aircraft, and command centers. This connectivity allows for coordinated operations and enhances the fleet's overall effectiveness. Interoperability with U.S. and allied forces multiplies effectiveness, creating a unified maritime shield. This cooperation ensures that the fleet can operate seamlessly with international partners. The Philippine Navy can now act as both a national and allied asset, contributing to regional stability and security. This dual role enhances the country's strategic position. These advances make the fleet a force multiplier in regional security, allowing it to play a crucial role in maintaining peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region. The sum is far greater than its parts, as the combined capabilities of the fleet create a powerful deterrent against potential adversaries. Receiving advanced warships is only the beginning. Mastering them is the real challenge. The deal includes a comprehensive training program. Filipino sailors will train in the U.S., embedded with Navy crews on similar ships. Training covers everything from damage control to advanced combat operations, ensuring readiness from day one. A long-term twinning program pairs Philippine frigates with U.S. Navy ships for ongoing joint exercises and knowledge exchange. U.S. technical experts will support maintenance and doctrine development, keeping the learning process continuous. This investment in human capital is crucial for lasting success. It transforms the relationship into genuine capacity building, not just equipment transfer. The U.S. is co-investing in the people who will sail these ships. The result, a new generation of skilled, confident Filipino sailors ready for the future. The arrival of these warships will shift the balance in the South China Sea. For years, China's maritime forces operated with near impunity, while the Philippines could only protest. Now, modern frigates with advanced sensors and missiles provide real deterrence. The Philippines can better protect its exclusive economic zone, fishing grounds, and energy resources. These ships back up legal victories with real presence and enforcement. China will likely condemn the deal, but it faces a new reality, a more capable, U.S.-backed Philippine Navy. The cost of aggression rises, complicating Beijing's calculations. Over time, this may force China to engage Manila on more equal terms. The era of uncontested dominance in Philippine waters is ending. The region's security dynamic has fundamentally changed. The U.S. Philippines deal sends ripples through ASEAN and the wider region. For states like Vietnam and Malaysia, it's a positive step toward a more balanced power dynamic. The deal may inspire others to deepen security ties with the U.S., Japan, or Australia. It showcases the benefits of strong alliances, advanced hardware, training, and commitment. ASEAN's response will vary, but the deal forces all members to reconsider their positions amid U.S.-China competition. The Philippines' investment in its own defense empowers ASEAN as a whole. A stronger Philippines can lead on maritime security and regional initiatives. The agreement strengthens ASEAN from within, not at its expense. It's a blueprint for regional resilience and agency. This warship deal is a textbook case of the U.S. Indo-Pacific strategy in action. It turns policy into reality, building a resilient distributed security network. The new ships are interoperable with allied forces, complicating adversaries' plans. Integrated deterrence using all tools of power with allies is enhanced. The deal reassures partners of America's enduring commitment. For China, it signals that U.S. allies will be strengthened, not isolated. This long-term investment anchors the U.S. in Southeast Asia for decades. The U.S. Philippines partnership is now a central pillar of regional security. This historic deal is more than a military transaction. It's a defining moment for the Philippines and the region. Modern warships will become symbols of national pride and sovereignty, crewed by a new generation of skilled sailors. The alliance with the U.S. is renewed and rebalanced, transforming the Mutual Defense Treaty into a living framework. The deal brings stability and deterrence to the South China Sea, empowering the Philippines to uphold international law. These ships are instruments of peace, designed to prevent conflict and ensure diplomacy prevails. By investing in its ally, the U.S. strengthens a rules-based order in the Indo-Pacific. This agreement is a testament to the enduring power of alliances. It charts a course for a secure, stable, and open region for generations to come.